I'm always doing this with my microphone. I got you. We got you. We back in the building. We are in the building. For some reason, it mutes me in the beginning and I forget. But guys, let me start all over again. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It is Friday. So TGIF. Thank God it is Friday. So good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever in the world it is that you're at right now. Welcome to the Staying Alpha channel, guys. So might as well let me go through this again. All right. Maz, how are you? Cat Daddy, Cisco, appreciate that no audio, guys. It's working now. Pandora's Box, Rob G. I'm here for the giveaway of Doge. I do a lot of giveaways for NFTs. I haven't done anything for Doge, but maybe one day. And God Almighty, what's up, bro? God Almighty joining the OMC club, the Omi Millionaire Club. He's making it. I think he got around 1.2, 1.3 million OMI tokens right now, guys. So he just made it to the OMC club. I'm almost in there. I'm at the line right now, checking in with the bouncer, guys. I'm almost at 1 million OMI tokens. So I'll be there. We have officially started the OMI Millionaire Club, all right? So that's pretty cool. Maxine, how are you? Raquel Garcia, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Drew, what's going on? So, guys, so much going on with Dogecoin, right? So I'm back on my regular streams. I will be streaming now. Basically every single day how I used to do Dogecoin breakfast time, right? Breakfast hours at 9:30 a.m. So I'm going to start doing that again. And as well, I'm going to actually have an open schedule now. So there's going to be certain days now that I stream and you guys will know about it. So I'm working on that schedule so you guys know when I'm going live, okay? Or when I'm going to be dropping a video. As well, on today's news, I will be on Upshot's channel today, okay? So I will be on Upshot later on today. I think 7 p.m. I think is the Eastern time, or maybe 8 p.m. Eastern time. I'm not sure. I have to double check and check the stream back. But I will be on Upshot's channel tonight. Upshot stopping by the stream yesterday. We had Wall Street Insider on our stream yesterday, so it gave you just a little bit, of what people from the stock market think about cryptocurrency. So it was a lot of mixed opinions as cryptocurrency, stock market. They're similar, but at the same time, they're very, very different, right? So it's, either way, it was pretty good. Morning, Mr. Alpha Doge fam. What's going on, Aaron? 0.38 was a good time to buy for the OMI token, right? I hope to see Doge go back up to its all-time high this weekend. It could possibly just be. We have major news, right? Dropping yesterday. It was a great day yesterday for Dogecoin. Okay, so Doge in the dip, 38. That's what you guys are talking about. Okay. I wasn't sure if it was OMI at 0.0038. Where do you buy OMI? But yes, you buy it through BitForex, okay? If you're in the United States, you could get it through BitForex. Hey, Alpha, good stuff. What's going on, Nick Balls? Nick Balls, if you want to jump into the stream, brother, you already know you are always welcome, man. I'm not sure. You're probably at the gym, though, lifting up some weights, man. Yes, my mic should be good, guys. Let me double check. I got to double check my settings today. What's going on with this? Okay, so I'm good. I just hit the mute button for like a quick second. So, guys, 50.51. That's where we're sitting at right now with Dogecoin, okay? So yesterday in the news, Elon Musk getting on Twitter and saying that he's actually working with the DogeCoin devs. However, I haven't seen any type of information yet from Reddit. Okay, so let me pull up Elon Musk Twitter and show you guys this tweet, and then I'm going to take you to actual Reddit where the Dogecoin devs post updates and news bulletins, right, to see what is going on with them. So on Twitter, hitting that cardio, bro. I need to wake up and go to the gym. I'm gonna try today. I'm gonna try. I doubt it, but if not, I'll be there tomorrow. Okay, so working with Doge devs to improve system transaction efficiently, potentially promising. And this leads back to what he just tweeted out the other day, guys, about Tesla. Tesla and Bitcoin, that Tesla will no longer start accepting Bitcoin. They're not getting rid of the Bitcoin, but for now, they have suspended vehicle purchasing using Bitcoin. And how come, right? Tesla should have already known that Bitcoin was, wasn't green, all right? The kilowatts hour per transaction is okay, guys. Let me know if it's buzzing. If it's still buzzing, then I'll just change to my regular laptop microphone. So let me know if it's buzzing. If it's buzzing, then I'll just change to my regular laptop microphone. And I honestly think it's because my cable seems like it got ruined when I was moving, and I think it's due to my cable. So am I still buzzing? It's working now. Okay, gotcha. What's going on, Hank? How are you? Okay, so we're good now. Gotcha. I gotta buy a new cable. That's what it is. My cable messed up when I was moving. Okay, so guys, Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We're concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emission of any fuel. So I think that at a financial standpoint, at a financial view, Tesla started to accept Bitcoin due to that it is the most stable cryptocurrency, right? However, I think that they should have already knew that Bitcoin's carbon footprint is no good. All right. They're at 707 kilowatts usage per hour, which is a lot. However, most of that energy is actually renewable. So Tesla, they are basically a going green company. And I think they should have foreseen this, and they didn't. So Elon Musk getting ahead of it now and actually stating that the usage of Bitcoin through Tesla will be suspended for now. And now they're looking at other cryptocurrency tokens, right? So now this is where Dogecoin comes into play, because it is underneath 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction usage. So in the bottom of the paragraph, it says Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. Why are they keeping Bitcoin? Because, guys, it's great to keep Bitcoin because let's think about inflation, right? Inflation right now alone should be somewhere at 30%, okay? And of course, Bitcoin inflationary rate, since it's actually deflationary, is going to hold its value a lot better than the actual fiat. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use underneath 1% of Bitcoin's energy / transactions. And of course, what can we think of? We think of XRP being carbon neutral by the year 2030. Which XRP is used for cross-border payments, guys. Look into that. And then, of course, we think Dogecoin, especially with the Flare network, also curving the carbon emissions to a certain degree. However, though, going back to what he said, he does mention the Dogecoin devs, right? So there is still no information when it comes to Reddit about the Dogecoin devs. And let me pull this up because I was looking for this. And on Reddit, they're asking the Dogecoin developers, hey, is what Elon's saying actually true? Because if you're not into Dogecoin, right, and let's say you're into other cryptocurrencies, you're probably thinking, what the hell is going on with Elon Musk? Is he going through a period? Is he high? What's going on with him? Because he just keep going back and forth. You accept Bitcoin, you were bullish on Bitcoin, you're no longer bullish on Bitcoin. You went to GameStop, now from GameStop you got into the Doge hype, right? He's just been all over the place, and then the market has just been completely irrational. All these projects that actually have usage and could pivot our future, they're under in the reds, right? But then all the shit tokens are just up. It's like cryptocurrency has turned into a big casino. Lately, it's just been crazy on what is going on. Okay, so like I said, I wanted to talk about this, about the Reddit Dogecoin Developers Forum, because there is nothing on here yet, guys. This has 16,000 members. However, this is just for the Dogecoin devs. As you see, they have Dogecoin core information, right? 1.4, 1.3. The Dogecoin devs get on here and they relate anything that they're working on, from Dogecoin to independent developers and third parties that they're working with, okay? So Elon with Dogecoin devs, what's next? Where do you see Dogecoin 12 months from now? That's not what I was looking for. So here it states, right? This is the Reddit post that has been the most pushed. Hey devs, can you give more details regarding this tweet? And it points to the tweet that I showed you guys that Elon Musk is working with the Dogecoin devs. I think it was today. I saw someone on the channel asking this and no one answered positive to it. Thanks and keep up the good work. So here in the comments, they're saying potentially promising. This is not so easy, but we should be positive and have an open mind. With good intentions at the time, there can be an awesome outcome. I mean, this is the best context and most respect, whatever it takes. Dogecoin, right? So really no one. So details, question marks, such wow. Doge customer support, please hold. There is no information on the Reddit website. And I don't think there's going to be information, because if they are working with Elon Musk, they're not going to give anything out right now. All right. These guys are probably very, very busy at the time. And whatever's going on with Elon Musk, if they are working with Elon, they're probably keeping it under wraps. So I did reach out to one of the Dogecoin developers, all right, that I have been in contact with, and we were trying to get the Dogecoin developers on a live stream, but that fell through because a lot of them are just camera shy, they're stream shy, they do not want to get on the stream. So it was about to happen, but then it just canceled out. So I did message him to see if this rumor is somewhat true, to see if he could at least answer that. So I'll get back to you guys if they do answer me back with anything. But as of now, there is nothing on their Reddit forum about Elon Musk working with the Dogecoin devs. And you can look for that at Dogecoin Development's Reddit website. You're good, bro. The message out there is all that matters. Hank, I retweeted with a quote. I'm not sure what they're talking about here. Hank's been pretty rampage lately on Twitter. Okay, so we're seeing that happen, right, with the Dogecoin development team. Nothing yet, guys, as of that. Let's go back to Trading View before I show you something else. $0.51, and from here let's go to CoinGecko to see how the rest of the market is doing. Voyager having wallets for Doge. That's pretty cool. That just came out actually. Oh, a Voyager campaign. Okay. I'll go check that out now. Next. Okay, so guys, Bitcoin was at 54,800 when the Elon Musk tweet went out. We are now sitting at 50,476 for Bitcoin. Eutherium still doing awesome, bro. 4,000. Binance Coin, guys, BNB 607. The time to get it is now. What a great token. I think that's going to be Dogecoin, right? 51 cents. We just saw that. XRP $1.40. Now, I was just listening to Mickey B. Fresh on XRP, right? And he's really just saying that XRP is going to be at $10, just lowballing it. That's what he predicts that XRP is, where XRP is actually headed to, at $10. And that's coming from Mickey B. Fresh. I was just listening to him talk last night. Cardano, guys, $1.92. So when the whole market was down, Cardano was actually up. All right. As you see in the last 24 hours, 4.8%. In the last 7 days, 15%. Cardano almost touching the $2 mark. I do see them dipping back under. And this is probably because of the Gogan news. I'm not sure if they finally got a release date. I have to check up with Cardano. But they have been actually going up. Polkadot as well, doing pretty good. $41.43. Polkadot was just sitting at 38 cents. Uniswap, I do see them going up. PancakeSwap as well. VeChain is under, guys, 0.18. It was just at 20 cents 2 days ago. So that is a good time right now to actually get in with VeChain. None of this is financial advice. Polygon is one that people are actually looking at too. Excuse me. Polygon has shown some incredible gains. And I do not know what Polygon is about, right? But Polygon is sitting at $1.40. This token, right, has actually flew pretty well. So just let me pull up the charts. In the last 30 days, Polygon has gone from 38 cents, from 38 cents to $1.40. I know they work with the Ethereum chain, but however, I do not know what Polygon actually is, but that is a pretty good token that has been doing fairly well right now. December Bitcoin, how are you? I see Coben's on the stream as well. Polygon is a 2-layer solution for Eutherium. I need to know more information about Polygon. I'm not sure what it does, but Polygon, we've been seeing it rise. We just saw Polygon at $1 just a couple of days ago over the weekend, last weekend. And now it's sitting at $1.40. So that's doing pretty well. Flare Network is doing a Dogecoin chat on Twitter Space soon. That is amazing, guys. If Flare Network is getting on Twitter Space, that's great, man. Twitter Space is getting pretty big right now. Okay, so that's pretty much it with CoinGecko. Let me go to Twitter and let me pull up Hank's tweet to see what Hank has going on right now at the time. Helps with gas price. How does it help it though, Pan? Because is it something already in effect or not yet? Okay, so Hank Dank. My fellow Doge community, I need your help. We pressured Robinhood app. Now we must pressure to invest Voyager to give us the keys. Please like and share this post. Tweet to Voyager. We demand those transfers. The community needs to own its coin. Okay, so that's retweeted. That's from Hank Dank. He's on Voyager, and he's been trying to email Voyager to give him access, right, to his Doge, and that hasn't taken place yet. So Hank Dank, Henry_Nice, if you want to go ahead and retweet this and jump on the support chain for Dogecoin, right? Okay. What a hangover. Thank you. No problem, Hank, man. Anytime, bro. Anytime. Bruce Lawrence, what a hangover, bro. Yes. Yesterday, Bruce was going crazy on the stream, man. Okay. So with Dogecoin, this is the next thing that we have going on. Dogecoin is coming to crypto platform Coinbase in 2 months, says CEO. Dogecoin is coming to Coinbase Global, the company said on Thursday. Let me make sure that I'm full screen. I am. Dogecoin is coming to Coinbase Global, the company said on Thursday during a call with investors and analysts to discuss its first quarter performance. The plan is to list Dogecoin in the next 6 to 8 weeks, said CEO Brian Armstrong. The Coinbase coin, this is actually current, down 92%, boss said that there is need to accelerate the process of how the platform adds new digital assets to its suite of offerings. Dogecoin up 36%, a meme stock with a stratospheric rise in value so far this year has been added by a number of rival platforms in recent weeks. Coinbase main offerings include Bitcoin and Ethereum Ether coins, but it has steadily grown its plate of crypto assets. So we speculate that Coinbase hasn't added DogeCoin, right? Because part of the board members there, they're very bullish on Bitcoin, and they wanted to keep that traction with Bitcoin. So by adapting DogeCoin, right, it was going to basically disrupt their agenda the same way that we've been seeing with everyone else. By the way, I saw NFT Cowboys on here. NFT Cowboys, if you're still on here, I just went up on the comments. I saw that you're here. I appreciate that video, man, that you mentioned me. So shout out to you, bro. I did sub and left you a comment. So thanks for that, bro. NFT Cowboy. Snoop Dogg is in the house. What's going on, Mark? Mark Sicily. How are you, bro? Okay. The report on its plan to offer DogeCoin come as the crypto platform reported first quarter earnings of $3.05 per share, or revenue of $1.8 billion from $585 million in the previous period. The results were mostly in line with investors' expectations and matched the company's preliminary report that was released ahead of April 14 listing of NASDAQ. Coinbase shares closed down over 6.5% Thursday, but in the extended trade were flat at last check. Dogecoin prices have been on major downtrend after hitting a record near 75 cents on Saturday, the day that crypto bull and big Dogecoin supporter Elon Musk hosted Saturday Night Live. We did see that big dip take place, and it just didn't take place because of day traders. It also took place because of the dude, right? Barry Silbert. Matic took off today. Yes, we were just looking up Matic Polygon. And Pan was saying that it helps with gas prices. At last check, Dogecoin was changing hands at 48 cents, up 21% after Musk tweeted again about the crypto Thursday afternoon. Dogecoin was down 12% earlier in that day and is up more than 8,200% year to date. That is a lot, right? So when in doubt, zoom out, guys. That's how much Dogecoin has actually gone up. That compares with relatively mundane moves this year in more established assets. Gold futures are down more than 3.5% in the year to date, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average is up over 11% so far in this year. The S&P 500 has gained about 9.5%, and the NASDAQ Composite Index is up 1.8% over the period. So that's not bad, right? We got Dow Jones up 11% so far in the year. Gold, I'm not really big on gold. Gold is down more than 3.5%, but Dow Jones and the S&P 500 up 11% and 9.5%. So that is some pretty decent returns, right? If you want to remain at that safety net, how we spoke about on the stream yesterday. On Thursday, Bloomberg News reported that the Binance, the largest crypto trading platform in the world by volume, was being investigated by the U.S. Justice Department and Internal Revenue Service. I did not know this right here. So Binance is actually being investigated. I had no idea about that. And this article didn't touch up when Dogecoin will actually officially be on Coinbase, but yes, it is around 2 months. All right, 6 to 8 weeks. A lot could happen in 6 to 8 weeks. What's going on, Mark? Was told to stay away from Binance. I like Binance. Some people do not like it. Binance is the biggest exchange. Then is Coinbase in the United States. But Binance has been attacked, has been hacked. They do have a SAFU fund, so if their system is breached, your money will be returned to you. Okay, the SAFU fund is something that they started. That 10% of the transaction fees go onto this fund just in case a breach actually takes place. But guys, what is going on right now on the cryptocurrency world is kind of crazy. But yes, if they are being investigated, right? I wonder what's going to happen to the BNB token. Would it actually drop just because of this? It would be a great time to buy if it does drop. So I did not know that. I need to look more into that. But guys, everything right now that is going on in the cryptocurrency world is pretty crazy because all the shit tokens are up, right? The Shiba, the ASS token, Hoge, right? It was going up. Cum rockets, cummies, right? It's just been crazy. All the shit tokens are just up. People are just being completely irrational. It's like, forget the usage of the token. Let's just put in $100, $1,000 onto the shitcoin and let's make some money. It's like, it just has turned into a big casino. And the crypto community, yes, a lot of us gamble with it, right? With our investments, but at least we know what we're putting our money into, right? Into these good projects. Because the ROIs could be insane. But all these shit tokens, man, it's like people are just being very irrational. And it is so hyped up, right, that we have more and more people jumping into it. But do not forget the tokens that actually have good things coming in the works. All right, good projects that could pivot our future from XRP, even Cardano, once it starts becoming a vision. Dogecoin, VeChain, the Oh My token, AOS being the decentralized YouTube, Rarity project with Binance, the Atari project as well. So there's so much stuff going on there. And, I stopped already buying shit tokens. I bought like 3 of them. And then I said, that's it. I'm putting my money into BNB. Because, again, it's just so much hype about it with it that I'm just going to completely stay away from it and just keep focusing on BNB and PancakeSwap, because at the end of the day, they have to pay the house, right? Please know your risk tolerance. Did you just say Cum Rockets? Yes, there is a project out there that it is called Cum Rockets. Let me pull that up. And Cum Rockets is actually not that bad if you read their actual whitelist, because it's actually dealing with porn NFTs, right? So that's why I said, oh, Cum Rockets. I said that's actually interesting, because I was waiting for a porn community to actually come out and start doing porn NFTs. So imagine Pornhub. If Pornhub goes legit with NFTs and they do right, an NFT project out there, it could actually make some decent money. Then it could probably fall. Whoa, that's a little bit too graphic. But let me put this out here. Bringing a fairer, privacy-driven, decentralized 18+ NFT platform for adult creators to post content and earn cummies. All right, I can't zoom out of this because I don't know what's down under, so I can't go any more under. But yes, this actually took place, right? And it was doing fairly well. And then, of course, it did dip. However, I didn't read into their project, but it is with porn NFTs. So if they do have, for example, Pornhub backing them up, then that will be great. I just joined the stream, and what the hell am I looking at? Yes, some crazy stuff. We're just talking about shit tokens, right? I had my wife a porn NFT last night. Oh, man, that's crazy, bro. That's TMI, Bruce. But yes, got into BNB last week. Okay, so Bruce buying into BNB. Same thing here, bro. I do see BNB being something that's going to be huge and could blow up right into the thousands range. It could just overtake Eutherium, as the Binance chain to me is a lot better than Eutherium. Look into environmental credits when it comes to Tesla. It will make sense why Tesla did this whole Bitcoin Doge fiasco. It has too little to do with them actually caring about the environment or crypto. And again, I just said this, is like Tesla should have known already about Bitcoin and the carbon footprint and the rival nations, right? And the European nations that's going on against this. And if you're a company that's essentially going green, right, with electronics and energy feeds off coal, you should have already seen this. So I think that Elon Musk got ahead of the game before cancel culture does, and he's suspending Bitcoin. However, still keeping Bitcoin because it is deflationary. All right, I'd rather put my money into Bitcoin than put into a savings account at Bank of America. Binance is fine outside of the US. Yes, outside of the US is fine. In the US is, that's where it could have its issues. The USA is late to regulate this stuff. Yes, they are, and we have no idea where it's actually going to. Again, it's just too early to tell. And same thing with taxes. Just a lot of questions that are going on with taxes as well. 3D chess, again, they did know. I agree with you, but this was all planned. It could have been all planned. And again, they use Bitcoin to open the door for Tesla, because at the same time, we're going to bump up the sales of Tesla and then I guess suspend them and just accept the Doge and still bump up the sales of Tesla. Who knows? It could have just been a marketing strategy as well. A saving account is dead money. For sure it is, bro. Isn't Dogecoin proof of work mining? Dogecoin is, but it's just so much less than Bitcoin. It's 10 moves ahead, Roman. Definitely Elon Musk. There's no way he spends billions of dollars without knowing the environmental impact. Everything that Elon Musk does is just calculated and planned. This dude is very smart, guys, and he's always just ahead of the game. And just look what is going on right now, right? With Dogecoin. Let's go back to Trading View. And let me pull up this live ticker. Okay, so we're sitting at 51 cents. We should be sitting here at 51 cents, I think, until the market actually closes. So the market will be closing later on today, and then the Dogecoin Club will actually be open. Okay, so on the weekend, this is when I expect this to start pushing, or even tonight, Friday night. All right, the Dogecoin Club should be back open, guys. And then during the weekend, this should be pushing. So it's going to be a very, very interesting weekend. We saw Dogecoin climbing up yesterday, and then we even saw people shorting Dogecoin, right? So as we're looking at the chart, let's go back. Right, we're looking at the chart, and then we just saw this massive reverse hammer from 42 cents. Actually started climbing up here, really, from 41 cents all the way to 49 cents, and even jumped up all the way to what is this? I think it was 59 cents, 56, 57 cents. It jumped up all the way from 42 cents to 56 cents, and then here's when people started to short it and sell it. And then it stabilized right at 50 cents, 51 cents. That's where we saw the area of support. So we went up a massive 10 cents just from the Coinbase news, and as well Elon Musk. We should see this rise once Coinbase actually starts accepting Doge in about 2 months. It will get very crazy, guys. That's why it's a very bad time to sell Dogecoin, because once Coinbase actually starts trading Doge the night before, and that very first thing, crack of dawn in the morning, is going to get crazy. The price of Dogecoin could even double up right before the Coinbase listing. We have that. We have the Robinhood wallet. When that confirmation takes place, it should spike up the sales of Doge as well. We have Doge One. More news coming out with that. And of course, right, Elon Musk and Tesla. So Dogecoin is looking very, very, very good. All right. I'm not able to predict the chart as of yet. I want to wait for this weekend and see what happens with it. That is a beautiful chart. I completely agree with you, Cisco. This is, of course, my opinion only. I'm usually right. Let me read what you put. They're not making as much money from selling cars as they can make from selling environmental credit to companies who can't get them. It's all a loophole. It's very true. I agree with you. Bruce, nothing a nice campaign donation can't fix. Gotta love politics, huh? So I'm wondering, when is Bruce going to start buying Dogecoin? I'm not sure. He probably already bought some. I'm not sure. So what time is it? Everyone on the live stream, guys, welcome to the live stream. I'm going to be doing these live streams more often again. I'll be doing them at 9:30, and I will be coming out also with a schedule for the live streams, so we could get this channel back on track and be on these live streams, guys, more consecutive. And also I'll be diving a little bit more deeper into Dogecoin, as I've been talking a lot about OMI. I just pasted, guys, the link for my Discord channel. Join the Discord. I can't stress that now enough to you guys. Join the Discord channel. All right. We talk a lot about other investments on there, from the shit tokens that you guys want to know about. We have people that they stay on top of those shit tokens and they make money. All right. We have CJ, we have Snowball, we have Awakened Man that they stay on it. Also, guys, we talk a lot about Dogecoin. We have there a trend on SafeMoon as well. Cardano, XRP, Bitcoin, Eutherium, and other tokens. Besides that, we speak a lot about NFTs and other NFT projects that are taking place. So join our Discord community, because you could actually make some bank with the information that we put out there, okay? I can't put all the information out on YouTube because there's just so many projects to talk about that should be doing great. Hellblazer, welcome to the live stream, bro. Arsema, to the moon. So happy for my people. Yes, I completely agree with you. Dogecoin is performing phenomenal. And now the dollar is going to happen. All right. It's going to happen, guys. We are going to take off. The rocket is already on the way to the moon. We should have been aboard with it. I love you. I love when you with Nick Balls. I don't want to be with Nick Balls. I'll talk with Nick, but I don't want to be with Nick Balls. Tesla doesn't make their main money from cars. Tesla is an industrial robotics company. That is very true. They deal with other things besides cars. When Binance accepts OMI, we're waiting on the news from Dan and David to actually come out later on this month to see which exchange we're actually going to. Yesterday, they actually had news that was supposed to drop this morning, but the news from yesterday was that one of the NFTs they took out, one of the Memorcornos, I think it was called Ritmo, they actually animated him. So if you have Ritmo in your collection, Ritmo's actually now animated. All right, so they made that upgrade. So that made things interesting because the Cryptkins, I could see them doing the same thing with the Cryptkins. I could see that they actually animate the Cryptkins from now on. Tesla built a car around their software, just another stream of income for them and something other automotive industries are not doing. Now they are following Musk. And what's interesting about Tesla, right, is that their cars have computers in them. So I could see that their cars actually have some type of wallet built in for cryptocurrency. And with the wallet being built inside of these cars, right, you could put our Dogecoin or XRP into these wallets or a Bitcoin into these wallets, right? And actually probably go to charging stations, pay with our Dogecoins, buy renewable energy from someone else. And I don't know, even tolls just be on these cars already hooked up with cryptocurrency. AC Dogecoin, what's going on, bro? ETH, huge pump today. We're looking at ETH, and we also saw Matic, right? Matic is actually pretty bullish today. Let's pull that up again. The chart for CoinGecko. Actually, I could put it up here on TradingView as well. Let's pull that up and see how that's going. And also Cardano. I do want to pull up Cardano because that's doing pretty well today. ADA. I'm going to pull up Cardano because I know Bruce is here. Love your show, bro. Appreciate you. And let's put this in the hourly chart to help me out. So guys, just look how Cardano has been rising, right? From the 5th of May at $1.35, right? Well, really $1 and let's see where we're at. $1.26, May 4th. May the 4th be with you. It started just going on a nice upstream, right? So we started at $1.26 to where we're sitting at right now at $1.93. So it's been pretty bullish, right? And it might just dip right when it's going to touch $2, or it might break through $2, and then it actually might dip. All right, it's just the law of gravity. It happens in the investment world. So it should be taking a dip. That's just my prediction of it. Soon, because it's been at a nice, massive upstream, which is great. But still, it will give it a nice level of support soon. I'm not sure what happened here, but here we saw another reverse hammer, right? Massive reverse hammer here that took place on the May 13th. Bruce, I know you're on the stream. What has been going on with the Goguen project, right? I'm not really sure. Cardano was dipping, and a lot of people were using ADA to just day trade. So a lot of day trade was going on, and I remember I was listening to Crypto Crow, and he was getting very emotional about Cardano, and he just wasn't understanding and telling people, if you want to day trade, go ahead and day trade, but I'm holding my Cardano. He was getting emotional about Cardano. I like listening to Crypto Crow, by the way, from time to time. Way better than Charles Hoskinson. But Bruce, my thing is with the Goguen project, is there an actual date now? Because I do know that Charles Hoskinson did say that by the end of April, he will have a date. Alonzo testnet is coming at the end of May. Smart contracts go live somewhere end of August and beginning September. So is Goguen dropping on August? That's my question to you. When is Goguen actually going to drop? Do you have a date? He did state by the end of April there will be some type of a date. Dogecoin saves Shiba Inu and other meme coins. they feed off. They feed off Dogecoin. Shiba Inu complete fed off from Dogecoin. So okay, so Goguen end of August, beginning September. Okay, so there's still no official date, and of course that's understandable. But they do speculate for Goguen to actually drop by August, beginning of September. So that's going to be something pretty great. And you say that the Alonzo testnet is coming at the end of May, and that's what we're probably seeing this rise up. Cardano, right, getting put all together. Still a vision, but little by little, it can't be a dream anymore. Okay, so that's pretty interesting with Cardano, guys. This is a good project to put your money in. However, I know that the Dogecoin community does not like Cardano, right? But I always tell people it comes to a time where you have to separate your emotions from business. Yes, Charles Hoskin could be an asshole, all right? He could bash the Dogecoin developers, but at the same time, take away your emotions from business. So if Cardano starts doing great, Goguen performs well, then obviously Cardano is a good project to be instead of the Shiba Inu token, right? Or the ASS token. But yes, the Flare network, right, is going to be a competitor for Cardano. So it's going to be very interesting. The Flare network should be arriving, I believe, in June or July for Dogecoin. I'm not sure if Hank Tank knows that, but the Flare network will be given a Twitter meeting space later on today. And I would love to know what time, because I definitely want to hear what they have to say. The Flare network should bring us a good little side income on the side when it first latches. Detach yourself from Charles and tribalism. It's a beautiful system. I completely agree with you there, Bruce. And that's why I say that. Charles Hoskinson is an asshole. A lot of people don't like him, all right? The dude has an ego, and that's his issue. And that's a problem when something has a CEO, all right? Has a founder. That is the actual issue when we can actually point fingers at something. And he's still attached to the project. Guys, remember to mint your Doge on Flare. Just imagine how ADA could have been the next Tesla token until Charles torpedoed that. Oh, man, that's awesome. So, guys, the next token we're going to be looking at is Eutherium, because Eutherium has been performing very, very well. Okay, so let's pull up let's pull up Eutherium. I gotta open up another chart. Okay, now Ethereum is very interesting, and this is something that I would have never really guessed. Let's look at the hour candlesticks for this. Look at that massive. This is insane, guys. Let me zoom out some more, because this is just okay. I got to put the 4-hour charts because this is just massive. Okay, I think I got it now. Let's go back to the hour. See what I can do with the hour. Okay, so we are looking right now at Ethereum, right? We're seeing this major spike with Ethereum. And here, it took a little bit of a dive, but that's okay. So we're seeing this major spike. And right over here, just on April 25th, guys, Ethereum was sitting at 2,180. And it even dropped before that. You guys remember when it even dropped more, right? So I got to zoom out even more, actually, because it's incredible what happened with this token. Let me zoom out some more. It's just massive gains. Okay, so let's actually go back over here where it was sitting at $1,293 back on February 28th, $1,293. And let's just go back. Let's just go back a month to April. April 1st, $1,750. And we got Ethereum right now at $4,000. Right now, it is in a little bit of a dive. But It has basically more than doubled in the gains. What has been going on with Ethereum, guys? It has been crazy. And again, when I think about cryptocurrency, right, I think about Ethereum's rivals, and I think about Cardano. I think about the Flare network, but I forget that people do not know about Cardano. People do not know about the Flare network. They do not know about the technicalities of cryptocurrencies, right? So when they think about cryptocurrency, they think about Bitcoin and they think about Ethereum. And I'm like, man, Ethereum 2.0 is not going to drop anytime soon. And Cardano would drop before then. The Flare network would drop before then. So I really think that ETH is going to go ahead and plunge. But I was completely wrong. And now with Matic, I think that has been pushing Ethereum so much because of the gas fees. So I would love to know more about Matic. And is it already in the works, or when is Matic going to take place to lower the gas fees of Ethereum, and by how much? That is my question. How much is Matic going to lower the gas fees? Is it a tremendous difference or not? So I would love to know that because I have no idea. And now let's look at Matic. I'm going to put up Matic next. And this is something that I obviously did not know, all right, because I don't follow Ethereum. And I wish I did, because I would have put my money into Matic. So let's open up the Matic chart now, because that is another token that has been doing very well. What's going on, Hector? How are you? DogeCoin to get DevOps support for commercial apps via Doge Labs App Swarm. You heard that news. I have not heard that, low roller. I need to go ahead and pull that up now. I have no idea what that is. I got more Cardano than Doge. Polygon is a side chain for Ethereum. It's layer 2 blockchain, so it helps with ETH scalability and transaction fees. That's my thing. But how does that help with transaction fees? Is there a difference? You know, that is my question. Okay, so we're looking now at the Matic chart. And when it comes down to Matic, right now we are looking at $1.26. These numbers are pretty off, because this is telling me 126, this is telling me 149. And I'm trying to see why it's off right now. Let me zoom out with the hour candlesticks. Okay. So guys, just check this out, right? This is pretty cool. Look how this token has been performing from when it started to become very bullish. Back in May 8th, it was 76 cents. That's just back in May 8th. Let's go back a month ago, right, to April. Let's go to April 14. And this was actually sitting at, let me see, let's go back to April 14. I'm gonna have to pull up the 4-hour candlestick for this. Let's do the daily candlestick. This is too much. Just look at that. Look at that insane rise. Isn't that crazy? So just in March, that's when it started to become bullish, and then it dived down. March 10, and here it goes. This is the major rise. I'm not sure what news here took place, but this is when it became crazy. April 26th, we saw these massive reverse hammers. April 26th was at 38 cents. And from 38 cents, we're now sitting at $1.48. All right, it's insane how much Matic has actually gone up. And guys, what is your opinion on Matic? Is there anything that I need to know? Should I read into this token? What's going on with it? Where do you guys expect to see this at? Because I would love to get more information on this and how it works with Ethereum. Because I don't follow Ethereum. I follow the Flare network. I look into Cardano. But what about Matic? Is Matic changing the game for Ethereum? I need to find out. My opinion is that it's trying to plunge a shotgun-sized hole with a Band-Aid. The damage is done. The solution to ETH is an FBA blockchain that runs on Ethereum virtual machine, ending all gas fees. So basically, that's it. Matic is not going to fix this. Am I getting this right? I'm doing excellent. The copycat of Dogecoin helping either price go up crazy. Yes, that too, right? The Shiba Inu. Alpha baby, let's do this. Waiting on Elon this morning to give the word, and we are changing over ETF to Dogecoin. Huge catalyst. I mean, I'm not on ETH special activities, but I'm just putting up the chart to see what has been going on with Ethereum, because Ethereum has been outperforming the market. Fear not, Cardano has an ERC converted for all developers for when Golden comes. Same thing with the Flare network. Watch them jump off the ship come December. So yes, same thing with the Flare network. It's as simple as a copy paste code, and it's actually the same thing for Cardano. So that's a good thing that both projects actually bring. Because I thought Cardano, the coding has to be different, but actually it doesn't have to, which is great. I'm gonna buy Dogecoin. Let's go. Okay, so last but not least, guys, we spoke about those tokens, right? Because they have been outperforming the market. They've been doing very, very well. EIP 1559 will also help with gas fees when it goes live, using base fee and tips for miners. So these are little things that we have to know about. We just can't forget about Ethereum, because Ethereum is what people know. Sadly, that's what people know. Yes, there is better projects out there that are coming, but they're still under development. All right, they still have a track record to actually set and prove, while Eutherium is the one in the works. And really the only one I see competing right now with Ethereum is Binance, even though they're two completely different chains. But it's very interesting what's going to happen in the next couple of years, in the next 6 months, in the next year, and in the next 3 to 5 years. It's going to be very interesting how these projects are going to tackle the Ethereum network and who's actually going to be crowned king next, right? You heard the IRS trying to investigate Binance. Yes, I actually just read about that. So very curious to see what happens with the Binance token. Now, we do know that Binance is actually, right, the biggest exchange worldwide. So how much would this actually affect Binance? It's not going to affect it like it did with XRP. It might, hit it with a little low blow or something like that. But let's see what actually comes to play with that news. However, developers can come to Cardano. The development system is the most broad for adoption on the planet. No joke. Okay. That's cute. Whenever my daughter sees Doge, she yells out, Doge to the moon. Now, the last chart, guys, is, of course, Dogecoin. I already had it up here. So let's pull up Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin has had one crazy chart, right? Their Dogecoin chart is just absolute bananas. So here we're seeing Dogecoin, and this is the linear graph, guys, I'm pointing out to, right? But right here, April 12th was right before it became so bullish at 6 cents, 0.06. And this is when we saw 10 cents, 12 cents, and we're like, whoa, what's going on right now? Should I buy? Let me wait for it to dip. And the dip never came, right? So then we saw this actually go. Let me zoom in a little bit. And let me change my camera. So we actually saw, right, where was my 6 cents? April 12, 6 cents. We saw the first climb to 13 cents, April 14. And then from April 14, guys, and April 15, this just took off. April 15, it went from, where was it at? It went from 13 cents, all right, all the way to 37 cents. That was the first major spike. A lot of us waiting for the dip. Dip never came. And then a lot of people selling along the way that are still kicking themselves until this day. And also some just selling. Some that were longtime holders completely selling when this happened, because they didn't think that Dogecoin was going to reach here, the top of this peak, where it was sitting at. Here has it at 65 cents, but actually went to 70 cents. They didn't expect that. They were really kicking themselves when they sold at 12 cents, at 10 cents, at 20 cents. They were kicking themselves. And now just look at this, right? We have another upscale, another upstream that has been happening from yesterday. Right now, guys, the market is actually open. So I do see Dogecoin sitting at the low 50 cents right now. However, when the market does close and when the weekend gets here, Dogecoin Club is back open, and we should be seeing Dogecoin pump heavy, in my opinion.
Staying alpha.
to the DogeCoin Club, guys. All right. Buy your pre-sale tickets tonight. This is not financial advice. Buy your pre-sale tickets tonight because this weekend could get crazy. The Doge Club entrance right now, right? We're sitting. It's at 53 cents to enter the club right now. But this weekend, can this peak the all-time high again? Will the Doge Club entrance be 72 cents again? Will it surpass 72 cents? I think this is going to be one crazy weekend. A lot of buy-ins and a lot of shorting as well for the other wealthy people that Dogecoin does not meet their agenda. But right now, guys, if you buy the pre-sales, is at 53 cents at the time. Elio Mora, welcome, bro. 305 is in the house, right? The area code. Damn, Alpha in the club. Yeah, man, I had to be, bro. I had to get into the club with the Shiba. My coworkers are like, what the fuck is he dancing right now? Dogecoin pump and Shiba and other meme coins pumps too. Dogecoin pump. I think that when Dogecoin pumps, the other actual tokens will start to do a decline. The Shiba Inu, though, however, I believe that is done. That is over with the rug pull that took place, right? I know Steven Steele was talking about that. Hank Dank's more familiar with it. I'm not too familiar with it. I didn't follow it. A lot of new people sign up on Robinhood due to Saturday night. They're already, yes, that is very true. And that is something that I was saying, right? The new investors will start coming. So we should be seeing these pumps start happening. But now, yes, they did sign up. But remember, now their money has to go ahead and clear unless they're buying with a debit card. So it's going to be very interesting what's going to take place, guys, on this weekend. Once again, guys, I'm going to paste my Discord channel down below, and also add me on Twitter, guys, at Staying Alpha. Any type of information that you want, any questions that you guys want to shoot to me, you could find me at Staying Alpha. That is my Twitter, and also my Instagram and my Facebook. And also, I have been doing these little Twitter space meetings with Steven Steele. Hank Dank has been on the recent ones. So I started to play with it, and it actually blew up on Twitter. And then Steven Steele also started doing it right after that because we saw that it was benefiting the Dogecoin community. So we've been on Twitter as well doing those meeting spaces as well, guys. Again, my Discord channel is pinned, and I just did put it out there. Join our Discord, all right? Be part of a great community. This community is to build better tomorrow and for you to go out there and get the bag and make some bank. So join our Discord community where we talk about other crypto investments, okay? So we have some great things coming. I'm going to be on the live streams a lot more often now, guys. I'm going to be doing the whole 9:30 a.m. thing in the morning on a daily basis again, or at least Monday to Friday or every other day. I'm still trying to figure out a schedule, but I will have a schedule out as well. So whenever my live streams actually take place at a certain time, so it just won't be random anymore, all right? I was in the process of moving, so that's why I kind of stopped streaming. It was kind of like a hassle, but I'm getting myself back situated. So everything should be running according to plan as now. So our Discord channel is pinned, guys. Get great information from there. New York and other states can't buy Dogecoin as of yet. New York has always been a hassle. Smash that like button. So either way, guys, pretty much I already started the stream an hour ago. I do have errands to actually go ahead and run. Yes, Bruce, I have been still working in law enforcement. Yes, that is still true. Hopefully not too long. All right, hopefully not too long. So again, in my own terms, right? So that is the end goal. Either way, guys, I appreciate you guys being on the live stream. Smash that like button, like and subscribe. I will be on a live stream later on today with the man of Shad, and I will be talking about Omi on his stream as well. Appreciate you guys being on the live stream today. I do have some errands to run. If not, I would have stuck by with you guys for more. NY is coming soon. More platform, more exchanges for New York. That will be great. Thank you guys for being on the live stream today. Like, subscribe, join the Discord channel. I can't stress that enough. T-shirts coming out, 10,000 subscribers. All right, that will be coming out. Some better T-shirts. I had to send back the other ones that I had, but better T-shirts coming out at 10,000 subscribers, and I will be promoting these. All right, and be giving away some of these shirts as well. Either way, guys, thank you for being on today's live stream. Like, subscribe, and with that said, always remember, stay alpha.
Dogecoin, which started as a complete joke, has like skyrocketed to not a joke anymore. It hit an all-time high of almost 10 cents yesterday, but it was so minuscule you wouldn't have understood why you have millions of shares.
Didn't Elon tweet that too?
And arguably, the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't. It can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Room for improvement.